सबसे अलग है, सबसे जुदा। सुनो एक नई आवाज, बातें नई है, नया अंदाज। सुनो एक नई आवाज, दिल से है आपके साथ। नया है ये पेशकदम।
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to another episode of Radio Peshkadam, your voice straight from the heart of Islamic University of Science and Technology. Today we're diving into the highlights of IUST's celebration of the Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect program, a national youth movement with a vision for 2047.
हमारा संकल्प विकसित भारत।
The Islamic University of Science and Technology celebrated the Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect program, a flagship initiative of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, under the broader vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. The Yuva Connect program serves as a transformative platform for youth engagement designed to bridge the gap between youth and policy makers. As part of this nationwide program, IUST had organized a series of pre-events involving students from various streams to ensure their meaningful participation and engagement. The celebrations began with an enthusiastic registration drive on the My Bharat portal aimed at fostering youth engagement and volunteerism. The drive witnessed a tremendous participation from students.
As part of the Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect, the IUST is organizing a number of events. And these events are basically aimed at to boost the motivation of the youth to be part of the Viksit Bharat 2047. IUST is a part of it, right from the department level up to the university. The IUST's institutional development plan is informed by the Viksit Bharat goals and objectives.
The program saw a series of specialized lectures being held focused on volunteerism, academics, and skill development and their contribution to the vision of Viksit Bharat. Students and faculty shared insights on how to connect aspirations of youth to national development. Another key highlight of the celebration was a debate competition on the theme, The Emergency of 1975, a Necessary Evil or a Threat to Democracy. The event engaged students in thought-provoking discussions and critical reflection on country's democratic journey.
Opposition leaders, activists, they were all arrested. Even the elections were postponed.
It was a time when truth was jailed, justice was gagged. The people of India were told not to think, not to speak, not to breathe.
A date that sent shockwaves to the soul of Indian democracy. एक ऐसा दिन जब लोकतंत्र के विचारों को कैद कर दिया गया था
और श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी ने उस फैसले से बचने के लिए और अपनी कुर्सी को बचाने के लिए पूरे देश में आपातकाल थोप दिया था।
ये मेरे हाथ में ये बिल खाली कागज का टुकड़ा नहीं है। ये बिल विकसित भारत है हमारा। ये बिल आगे लेके जाएगी भारत को।
A theatre performance on Nasha Mukt Bharat was also held.
When we try to tackle this situation of let's say drug abuse, किसी भी तरह का नशा, हम हमेशा कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीजों पे गौर फरमाते हैं। हम कहते हैं नशा मत करो, बट हमें पता है नशा होता क्या है, लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं, लोग आ कहां से रहा नशा।
The closing session was held on July 24, 2025 to foster inspiration, dialogue and collective commitment. It included a special presentation by the Honorable Vice-Chancellor IUST, Professor Shakil Ahmed Ramshu, on how the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 is being integrated into the university's institutional development plan.
Honestly, I think all of us need to realize that this Viksit Bharat is not a mere slogan. Now, if you look at that, you know that efforts that are being done at the national level. We had a Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in 2022, where we tried to celebrate our history, our culture, the people, in this country, and a lot of activities. All of you were part of it. And then we said that next to 25 years are Amrit Kaal. A period where transformative era where these 25 years will help to achieve economic growth, technological transformation, equity, and that required economic growth. And these 25 years are very important for us.
A Yuva Samvad, an open panel discussion with students from various schools, was held on the theme of civic duties and national development, in the esteemed presence of Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir and Chancellor of IUST, Shri Manoj Sinha.
हम सब ने अपनी आंखों से देखा है। वाइस चांसलर साहब ने मुझे बताया कि माई भारत पोर्टल पर रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेकर यूथ पार्लियामेंट इनिशिएटिव, नशा मुक्त भारत अभियान, डिबेट कंपटीशन, राष्ट्र निर्माण में युवाओं की भूमिका और प्रेजेंटेशन तथा फैकल्टी मेंबर्स के संबोधन जैसी एक्टिविटीज में IUST के स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही उत्साहपूर्वक भाग लिया है और पिछले 12-13 दिनों से साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, मैनेजमेंट, लिटरेचर, फिलॉसफी, जर्नलिज्म, सभी डिसिप्लिन्स के यंग माइंड्स संकल्पबद्ध होकर राष्ट्र निर्माण के लक्ष्य पर चर्चा किए हैं और उसकी सिद्धि के लिए क्या रोड मैप होगा उसकी रूपरेखा भी खुद बनाई है, टीचर्स के गाइडेंस में बनाई है।
Meanwhile, a special edition of news magazine Times Echo on NEP 2020, published by the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, was unveiled on the occasion.
हमारा संकल्प विकसित भारत।
And that was a glimpse into how IUST is shaping engaged, informed, and responsible citizens of tomorrow. Until next time, stay curious, stay aware, and keep listening to Radio Peshkadam. This is Nazakat Aslam signing off. Allah Hafiz.
सबसे अलग है, सबसे जुदा, सुनो एक नई आवाज़।